what's up, and welcome back to another interview at the second Global Islamic FinTech Forum 2025 in Dubai. I'm Adel, the host, and today we have Christelle with us, a close friend of mine who I've met many times in the past. Christelle, you are a speaker here today.
Yes.
Introduce yourself. Tell us a bit about who you are.
I'm Christelle. I'm coming from the banking background and now moved to the fintech industry. I represent many women communities, 100 women in finance and founders community. I'm today here as a speaker in the second Global FinTech Conference, and we will speak about the Islamic FinTech industry state. So far.
Wonderful. So as a speaker, what is your topic exactly speaking about?
Okay, how the Islamic FinTech industry, it grows, and what is related to the technology and the blockchain. Because now, as I've told you before, we have different aspects for this growth. It was by the appearance of digital banks, Islamic banks providing payment solution. And also we have blockchain because in Malaysia, they launched the first Islamic Bitcoin fund by asset managers. So this growth is not only in GCC countries, as I told you, and mainly Bahrain, KSA, and UAE, but we are seeing it in Indonesia and in Malaysia.
Wonderful. Okay, so now when it comes to Sharia compliance, some people may not be too aware of what it means. Can you explain this?
Yeah, of course. Sharia compliant instruments are very wide. We have the sukuk bonds, we have the IPOs, real estate fund, and I'm telling you a little bit of blockchain. So you can trade without leverage and without interest. It's pure Sharia. And now we are seeing that the fintech and also the Sharia compliant is merged merging. Like you can trade stocks, ETFs, by filtering as Sharia compliant and without interest, without leverage. So it will be like for you halal.
Halal. So there's no interest. But what's the reason for interest that they remove interest from this product? Is there a reason?
Yeah, of course.
What's the reason?
Religion. Yeah.
So religion has seen it as something that's unfair.
Yeah.
Because you should not be paying more than what you borrowed.
Is that the reason? 100% halal.
And then on top of that, they also introduce profit sharing.
Yeah.
So you can pay back, not just from the loan payback, but if you make a profit, you can share the profit.
100%.
Is that correct?
100%.
Wow. So this is really exciting. And for the Islamic FinTech Forum that you're here, have you always found a desire to be in this space?
Yeah, honestly, yes. It's my first time that I'm like in the pure Islamic finance conference. I met you last time in Finect conference.
Yes.
It was like banking and fintech, but now we are like focusing on special subject. It's very interesting.
Yes.
I'm telling you, it grows, and as expected, it will reach $7 trillion in 2023 as asset for fintech, Islamic fintech industry.
Right. Awesome. So for those who are watching, if they're interested to know more about you, Christelle, where can they find more information?
They can add me on LinkedIn. We will share my LinkedIn profile.
Yes. What's your full LinkedIn name?
Christelle El Metni.
Christelle El Metni. Thank you so much. So we'll leave all the links in the description. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check this out. Hope you found this insightful, and I will see you next time. Cheers.
Thank you.